Before I go in the house and let you hear these two Martin guitars, I got two non-adjustable neck Martins, a 1970, this D-18, and a 1976 D-28. What happened with this one is on the last neck reset, they took so much material off the inside of the heel that the whole neck was shifted forward. This is the position of the original saddle. That is how far back I had to move that saddle to get this guitar to intonate. And it really worked in our favor that we're putting a compensated nut on, because with a compensated nut, you tend to move the saddle forward a little bit. And as you can see, we're just right on the edge of that 6-string hole. So that's how close we are all the way across. Just wanted to point that out before I bring it in the house and let you hear it. Both guitars are magnificent sounding guitars. This one's really had a rough go. There's lots of battle wounds on it. In that last neck set that was done improperly, I've managed to kind of save it, and Bill will be good for many years to come now. I had to put a couple of extra ball ends on that string to pull the string back far enough so that the natural diameter of the string rested at the tip on the focal point of the saddle. The A string we were okay, we just barely got away with it. The D string as well just squeaked by. As you can see, I added an extra one on that second string. And the first string was also okay. We had just enough to squeak by, but depending on the string and how far the wrap comes, Bill, you're going to have to be aware of that fact when you do your string changes. Yeah, it's looking like we're okay with the third string as well. The fact that I have the D-18 and the D-28, both of them here, that I would repeat the same chord progression. This is just kind of a descending It's like the chords to any number of tunes, Masquerade or Stairway to Heaven, right? That descending line. This is in D minor. What's another one that does that? There's For Once in My Life, Stevie Wonder. What's another one? We're in the key of D minor with that descending D minor to D minor major 7 to D minor 6. And then I'm going up to B flat major. And then I go into like a D minor 9. B flat major 7. Here's the whole progression. We've got this descending bass line, and then on the B flat major triad. And then I go into this. Okay, so here's the D-28. Same, maybe not identical, but similar progression. Okay, so D-28. D-18. D-28. D-28. D-18. D-18. D-28. D-18. So here's an overall check on the D-28. Overall check on the D-18. And here are some 10th and 9th configurations. D-18, same thing. So there you go. You've had a taste test comparison. D-18 to D-28.